Hello students, we should know interwar economy and Great Economic Depression of 1929. So what was the situation of the First World War from since the 1914 to 1918? First we should know about the interwar economy and Great Economic Depression. Interwar economy, this is our first point. Then we should know the Great Economic Depression. Interwar economy, household income was the decline during the war. So this is the war period from 1914 to 1918. During this time, household income was the decline. Household income that was decline. वीट का प्रोडक्शन जो था, वीट प्रोडक्शन इंक्रीज इन कनाडा, ऑस्ट्रेलिया एंड अमेरिका. सो वीट प्रोडक्शन इंक्रीज इन कनाडा, ऑस्ट्रेलिया एंड अमेरिका. आफ्टर वॉर वीट प्रोडक्शन revived in after the war, when war was ended in 1918. So wheat production revived in Eastern Europe. This creates the situation of the glut in wheat production. बहुत ज़्यादा wheat production. कनाडा, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, अमेरिका में wheat पैदा हो रहा है. वर्ल्ड वॉर के दौरान यूरोप में जो wheat की सप्लाई हुई थी वो अमेरिका, ऑस्ट्रेलिया और कनाडा से थी. फाइनली आफ्टर द 4-5 years, World War First came to an end, but peace established and there was no shortage of the wheat in Europe. So there was the wheat production in Eastern Europe. So there was the situation of the overproduction in agriculture product. Grain prices fell, rural income declines, farmers fell in debt. This situation was created. ग्रेन की जो प्राइसेस थी वो फेल हो गई. बी, रूरल इनकम डेक्लाइंस, फार्मर्स फेल इन डेट, किसान कर्ज में चले गए. सो दिस वाज द सिचुएशन which occurred during the interwar. So rise of the mass production and consumption. First mass production of the cars. Henry Ford ने टी मॉडल की कार बनाई डेट्रॉइट में अपनी. So Henry Ford became the pioneer in this mass production activity, and Detroit was the center of the assembly line production, where T model Ford cars were to be produced. So for the rapid production of the T model car, Henry Ford established a plant in Detroit में उसने अपना प्लांट लगाया. So मास प्रोडक्शन एंड मास कंजप्शन की बात हुई. अब हम बात करते हैं ग्रेट इकोनॉमिक डिप्रेशन. सो डिक्लाइन प्रोडक्शन डिक्लाइन हो गया, डिक्लाइन एम्प्लॉयमेंट्स, decline income and decline trade due to the First World War. So what were the reasons? What were the factors? First है agricultural overproduction. पहला तो ये रहा कि एग्रीकल्चर में ओवर प्रोडक्शन हुआ, स्पेशली वीट जैसे आइटम की बात करते हैं. वीट बिकेम टू बी प्रोड्यूस इन कनाडा, अमेरिका एंड ऑस्ट्रेलिया ड्यूरिंग द वर्ल्ड वॉर. बट आफ्टर द वर्ल्ड वॉर वीट प्रोडक्शन अगेन रिवाइव इन ईस्टर्न यूरोप. So this creates the overproduction situation of the agriculture. Second, shortage of the loans. Shortage of loans. Third one is there was no availability of the loans and collapse of the Wall Street Exchange in USA. Collapse of the banking system and conditions created by the war huge defense expenditures were raised, large scale unemployment. These are the factors which were responsible for the Great Economic Depression.